In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast. But before we get started on this channel, I make short, concise YouTube videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know as quickly and as easily as possible and without any fluff in the video. So if you could please take a moment to go below this video and hit that subscribe button, it would really help me out. And with that said, let's get started. Now, the first way I want to talk about to get YouTube subscribers very fast is by running Google and YouTube ads to get subscribers. But that setup is quite techy and it's easy to mess it up. So there are two websites that I'm going to show you that will actually run these Google or YouTube ads for you to get you views and subscribers directly from these Google and YouTube ads. So the first website is called Sprizzy. So SPRIZZY.com. So here is one of the ads that I ran. It cost me $30. And I got 170 subscribers and 974 views. So you can see it's very cheap, and you can easily get to 1,000 subscribers very fast for the cost of like 100, maybe $120, something like that. So I'm going to show you how to go through the setup process. We're going to go to promote a new video once you've created a Sprizzy account. And you're going to just connect your channel here. So I'm going to find my channel once this is loaded up. So here's my channel here, Fergal Downs, and we're going to find a video that we want to use. So just come down here to our list of videos that is going to be on our channel. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to click on one of my most recent videos, which is this one, Leadify Review. Okay, so now we are in the area where you want to build your ad. So we're going to leave this on general. We're going to select the language, has to be English. And we're going to say, let Sprizzy build and write my ad for me. That's the way that you're going to get the most views, the most subscribers for the least amount of money. Then we're going to click on next step targeting. And we're going to click on click here to let our AI suggest keywords for you. So we're going to click into this, and it's just going to load for about maybe 10 seconds or something like that. And it's going to bring up a list of keywords that you can potentially target inside YouTube to get these views. Now you can click off these if you don't want them, but for the sake of this video, I'll leave all of them on. The next thing that we're going to do is click on recommended placements. So we're going to click into this recommended placements. This is going to get the recommended placements for us. And we can click off them if we don't want those ones. Now we're going to leave all of these on, male, female, all of the age groups. That is going to get us the cheapest views and subscribers as possible. The location, again, to get the cheapest views and subscribers as possible is to show to all people in all locations. Then we're going to click on next step, budget. You're going to set your budget in here. The minimum, I believe, is 30. Let me just check there. Yeah, the minimum is 30 per campaign, so $30 per campaign, and I recommend that you just leave it on normal 3 to 7 days. Now, one thing that I have to mention is you only want to do this with a video that is older, because the views the people don't view the entire video usually. They'll click in, maybe it's not super targeted for them, and then they'll click out. But if you do this on an older video that maybe isn't getting views anymore, then it won't cause any problems to that video because the video is basically dead anyway. But if you do this on a video that you've uploaded recently and you're hoping to get more and more views on that video, don't do that. Only do this on older videos. Then we're going to click on save and continue. And we're going to run the campaign. I'd have to add more funds to my account here to get this to run, but then you're going to run the campaign and you're going to get a ton of subscribers and views from this. Now there is another website that you can do this with, and that is called VFly. Now I haven't used VFly myself. It is a little bit cheaper, but I'm not sure, because I haven't used it myself, I can't 100% recommend it to you. So that's how you get a ton of subscribers and a ton of views on a channel, whether it's a new channel or an existing channel, or maybe you haven't used your channel for a while and you want to give it that bump before you start uploading videos again. This is a fantastic way to just let Sprizzy do it for you. That's it for this video today, guys. Go ahead, hit the link below this video to subscribe, and if you're feeling generous, give me a thumbs up as well, and leave a comment. Thanks very much, guys. Talk to you in the next video.